Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new game review. I feel that everyone should have read the title at this point, so here we go. Among Us is just one of those games that got very popular from streamers and YouTubers, hit the clickbait phase, and phased out as the buzz wore off, faded into obscurity, and this?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Now this game has a very simple and easy to understand playstyle and design, leaving it very open to new players. There are two different classes, the crewmate and the imposter. This simple divide makes it easier to play and understand. Speaking of which, what are the two different gameplay paths? Well, as imposter, you try to sabotage functions and kill everyone, while having the very special ability, the vent, to get away from the dead body of the crewmate you killed. Pretty simple there, but as crewmate, you just do the tasks to win, or you can do what every single player does, vote the imposter out, using a chat and trust system that more often than not gets the crewmates voted out. Fair. Very fair. There are visual tasks you can prove your innocence with, but it just gets in the way a lot and is incredibly annoying. But, as with every single quickly exploding game, got bots everywhere,
Clickbait YouTube videos,
and players who get bitter when voted out and rat out the other imposters. It just can't make it past the negatives, which have now led it to its demise.
Now, I am not trashing on this game in any way. I'm just telling you guys how it is right now and how this is going to be how it is effectively until it becomes not relevant to pop culture anymore. So then, eventually people will stop making the clickbait YouTube videos, the bots will disappear because no one's playing the game. And I'm not saying no one's playing the game. There's thousands of people playing it every month, but it just isn't as relevant as it was before, meaning that it's effectively dead now and it's not got anything to fall back onto. And I suppose this is where we end off the video, but this is also the part where I tell you guys to subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.